Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen, hit the subscribe button. Bitcoin bounced down yesterday, wicked up. When I went long, it faked everyone out and it actually played out in the bear flag and dropped hard. I think it's going to that 40k support that I talked about. Hopefully it bounces back there. Hit the subscribe button, join 71,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going into the tech. Bitcoin just weaking out everyone, kind of like I predicted and kind of not like I predicted, because I went long on this breakout of the failure of the bear flag. I was assuming that it was going to go short, but then when we broke out here and it tricked everyone, I went long here, so my short got closed. It was a very tight stop loss though, so that's a good thing. And then it wicked down and it played out in the bear flag, almost perfectly in the bear flag actually. This is the 4 hourly charts. And it moved this distance here, the base of the pole of the flag. So this distance here, and Bitcoin already moved that distance. Then it came down, it's sitting on this support at 41,000. That was actually the main area of support here. 41,000, quite a strong support in the past as well. Let's look on the daily how strong this support is. If it doesn't hold here, 40,000, and most likely it will go to 40,000. Why? Because it's been playing out in this larger pattern on the daily candles. You can see 46,000 down to 36,000, up, down back to 37,000, up 48,000, and coming back down to the 40,000 support. But why that's bad on the daily candles, you can see that this is a bear flag. We've got the pole, we've got this flag formation forming, and then if it comes down, that's bad. Because why that's bad, it's a very large pole and bear flag. It could actually break the 29,000 support, and that's not good. The biggest area of support here, the first one we've got is on this one here. If we come down to 39,600, and if that doesn't hold, unfortunately, there's not much support. We've got another one. Actually, we've got a lot of support here at the 35,000 will be a big area of support. But let's see how Bitcoin does. We're going to monitor. Let's get rid of this support resistance line because it's going to take a while. Why this is also bad, it seems to be forming a large head and shoulder pattern. We can see here, it's kind of doing symmetry on this movement up. We had this movement, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, and then breakdown, bear flag, bear flag. So it's kind of doing the reverse. Target will be $40,000, and then we got to see what's going on there. Volume came in, but a lot of selling volume. Stochastic still heading down on the 4 hourly. MACD is now also heading down. Oversold, but still heading down further. Very oversold on the MACD. Money flow is also flowing out of Bitcoin. Stochastic is also still heading down. So just bearish all around. Bitcoin is still coming down. EMA ribbons on the 4 hourly were beneath them, dropping hard. VPVR, we've got a lot of support, mainly down here at the 39,000. So that's where I expect the bounce. Crypto Guru bot is still firing a sell. It hasn't changed. Bitcoin indicator bot also firing the sell before the drop. So just Bitcoin coming down. Target 39,600 will be the strongest area of support. And it does look like it's going to play there. We've got some supports here. We had one here where it bounced off, 41,140. And then we have another one down here at 40,000. And then one more at 39,000. So these are the areas of support. Let's see how it does. But in my opinion, going down. Still, let's look on the daily. On the daily, it's also the MACD's got further to drop. Money flow is flowing strongly out of Bitcoin. Stochastic is still further to drop. Just bearish all around. Nothing major showing like major support here. On the weekly as well. MACD is oversold on the weekly. Stochastic coming down more on the weekly. So we could be falling pretty strong, everyone. This is dangerous. If Bitcoin doesn't hold here at 39, another area of support is down here at 35. So it's just getting annihilated here. There's not a lot of bullishness overall. I know a lot of people online on Twitter and stuff like this are very like showing, oh, it's going to bounce and bullishness. But at the moment, not so much. So that bear flag is played out. Now we need to see the next pattern that's forming. We're definitely in a downtrend now on Bitcoin. We've been on a downtrend actually since it peaked on the 29th of March. We had a few day bull market, which just sucks. And this is exactly what happened for me in 2017. This is exactly what it felt like after the 2017 bull market. it was just constantly dropping, and then we'll have a little pump, everyone gets excited, and then again wiping out everyone. And that seems to be what's happened. Luckily, I'm still mainly in cash, which is beautiful. I've just been doing small trades trying to catch these bounces. But now what I'll do is I'll actually short the bounces because we're still on a downtrend. So if Bitcoin gets a bounce here and comes up, I'd be shorting it to come down to 39. But I think a lot of people now are going to capitulate, which means a lot of sadness and just fear in the markets. So I'd actually go short here with a tight stop loss. I'd go open the short here, stop loss below this major support, above this major support at 41,500, and the take profit down here at the target of 39,000. So that's a good trade. That's 2.57 risk ratio trade. I'm risking $698 to make $1,800 unleveraged. 10x leverage would be $18,000 of profits. Let's look what's happening on the hourly. Hourly also bottoming out. We're getting a bit of a bounce. Some buying volume came in there though. Look at this. It looks like, again, Luna buying up. Luna bought up around 11,000 Bitcoin here. So it looks like they tried to buy this dip, and they might keep doing it. But the problem is, whenever you have these manufactured buys, this is creating a problem in the markets. Why? Because we're having these buys, right, from Luna. Every time the market drops, we're having these buys, and then it's getting this bounce back. But then it's just, whenever you have someone propping up a market like this, it's not good. One, it makes it very difficult to trade because it stops these just drops. Like, so we get this movement where we can short it and it drops, but then they buy it back up. But then everyone goes long, and then the normal pattern, the normal movement of Bitcoin is coming down. But with Luna constantly buying it, and Michael Saylor and these guys, they're kind of propping it up with these little bounces, but they're fake, you know, they're buying it. It's people get bullish and it looks like there's volume coming in, but just their buy pushed it up, and then again it drops back down. So I think that's what's going to keep happening. I'm going to show you my trades. Underneath this video, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video here, you can go down below, hit the thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 of likes. Hit the subscribe button. Join my 71,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my trades in stocks and cryptos and altcoins. And down below, Bitcoin trading on Bybit. If you sign up to this link, you get a sign up bonus of $4,600 when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. You can join the Telegram, join us on Twitter, on Instagram. All these links are in the description. And you can take the Crypto Master course. I have more than 6,000 students, which teaches you how to use these indicators. So let's go on Bybit. I have 198,463. Luckily, I closed most of the Bitcoin. I just have that one Bitcoin, but still, that's another 1,400 drop from yesterday. I've got USD 151,000 to buy the bottom. I've got Bitcoin holding one Bitcoin, dropping another 2.2%. I could close this Bitcoin, but I think it would come down to 39K, 36K, so more to drop. And my Bitcoin, I have no Bitcoin trades open at the moment, so I'll actually open a short here on Bitcoin because I do think we're going to just keep shorting the bounces. So I'll open $1,000 short or $800 short on Bitcoin, opening, confirm. The take profit will be set at 39,700 and the stop loss at 42,000. No, stop loss at, where is the stop loss? 42,200. 39,600 take profit, and 42,200 is the stop loss. So risking $134 to make $400. Beautiful. Confirm. That trade is set. It's up $7.60 already since I opened that trade. $9, $10, $12. Bitcoin is dropping right now after I made this trade. It's up now $12 since I opened it a few seconds ago, which is good, but at the same time not good because my Bitcoin that I'm holding, I've got this one Bitcoin, is also dropping. I do think it's going to come to 39K, and I'm not seeing any bullishness, so I'm going to actually close this one big. But I want to be yeah, I think it's got more to drop. There's no bull case here. Let's look on the daily. Should I also close my one Bitcoin that I'm holding here and just be all cash? Yeah, I think what's happening in China is going to rattle the markets. The support is at 39,700. If I close the one Bitcoin, I save another 2,000. So I will close it and then buy it if we do start to head up. So I'm going to close this one Bitcoin that I have right now. Selling one Bitcoin at the current sell price, 41,000. Look, it's just dropping right now, hard. 41,400 selling, close. It's filling. It's trying to fill, but the price of Bitcoin is just dropping as it's trying to fill. So that's my short. That's my trade on Bitcoin. That's what I think is currently happening in the markets. It's not looking too good. 39,000 is where I expect Bitcoin to bounce. Also, underneath this video, if you want, there's just some information. Let's see. Staking is coming for MCRT, which is going to be epic. It's a very cool staking system that they've developed. These are some of the characters for Magicraft, the weapons. These are what my live trades look like. This is Coinbase. I'm going to be buying up Coinbase, a lot of it at $143, which is beautiful. This is some things from Magicraft. Really spot information up 3,300 just on Bitcoin. Thanks. This Necromancer from MCRT. Thanks, James. Just subscribe. Would love to be able to trade someday. Beautiful. Thank you, James. We appreciate you always. Thank you, Duran. Thank you, James. I was wrong about certain indicators on chart, and then you came to prove me wrong. These are some all comments, so I'm going to get rid of them. That's what's mainly. James called another one. Huge savings. James, you work 24 hours and effort worthy of thanks, worthy of trust. Thank you very much. You called the drop. So these are mainly the trades. The Omnis, they had a bad launch yesterday, but they're going to try to, I think, redo the whitelist spot, so pay attention to them on Twitter. You are the best. You always show us early what to buy. I just want to say a big thank you to you. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of a bull market for just 2 weeks, and then again, it's just pulling back. Let's see how far it pulls back, but if we hold 39,000, this will be very good, because then the bear flag doesn't play out. If we don't hold 39,000, not good. Hit the subscribe button, join 71,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and if you comment that you've subscribed and you tag 2 people in here, tag their names and subscribe, my team's going to pick the winner of 200 USD, another giveaway that I do all the time. Congratulations to watch through to the end. Make sure you hit subscribe and tag 2 people down in the comments. I'll choose another winner of 200 USD. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.